2022. Here I got another AC job. Older lady wants me to go by and check our unit. She says it might need Freon. A lot of leakers out there, you know. We'll go by there and see what's going on with it. We'll run it, check it. Nice day, Molly, huh? It's like perfect out. Nice and warm. Yeah. It's like perfect weather. It's like perfect weather to be looking out the window. Yeah, you love looking out the window, Miss Molly. Yeah, you love it. You love it. You got a good life with me, Miss Molly. Yeah, you got the best life ever, Miss Molly. Yeah, I know you do. Yeah, there's flexes up in the attic. So when they put the insulation in, they might have raised it, and if there was moisture in the flex, it came out the vents. That's probably where the water come from.
Because
so
before I was told it's like a U underneath the old insulation.
Right.
And they raised it, I don't know, 12 inches or so high.
Yeah.
They bent it up.
So all right. So
I haven't had it cooled.
Right. Okay. We're gonna check that. So what about the filter? Have you did anything with the filter?
No, I put a new filter.
Okay. So the filter's fine. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to check the unit outside. So the water most likely came when they put the insulation in, they picked up the flexes. Right, if there was any kind of voids or any kind of drop, sometimes as moisture gets collected in there, and that's what it was. Okay, so let me check the outside unit and then we'll turn it on. I'll be in here before. I must have cleaned it before, it don't look too bad. It's pretty clean. I'll have to check the charge on it. He says it runs good, so. What we got here? 01. It's a 2.5 ton. Well, let's let her have her turn it on. She says it cools fine.
But now I gotta put it down. But if I hit this, it comes here, so.
Well, you got the register shut off. How come? Did you shut them all off? Well, we got to turn them all on before we do anything then. Fan on. We got to go open up all the registers. Fan automatic. Yeah, we'll go turn. Oh, you're gonna open them all up, correct? Yeah.
I'm gonna try to.
Okay, because that's gonna make a difference.
Well, I can close it this way.
And then go to mode, heat, cooling. We're at 69 here. You want me to do it?
No.
It's gonna take 5 minutes for the. By then I'll have all the registers open. Yeah, you gotta just open that. Yeah, some of them you can, some of them you can't, right? You want me to do it, or you're gonna do it?
You know, I used to do this all the time, but I'm now an old lady. My neck kills me. I used to do this the whole time.
Let me do it.
And now I'm an old lady.
What's up, buddy?
I know you wait. You know what? Why I'll always remember your name. My parents were very, very friendly growing up. My mother's 98.
Oh, okay.
The lavimoniere family. Do you remember a lavimoniere that was in a wheelchair? An old lady. She's about 150 now, I guess.
Must have been related to me if it was. This is a good idea with the stick.
Hey, women have brains sometimes, you know.
Yeah, that's definitely a good idea with the stick, the little yardstick, right? I mean, you get right up there and do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You definitely do.
It's
okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
What kind of? You got a Chihuahua now.
Yeah, I got a little Chihuahua. All right. So let me go.
This is the dog from home. He was running down the street. He's a wonderful dog. He needs to.
That's a good idea with the thing. I'm gonna have to get one of those. All right. So we're gonna check it outside. Probably on time delay. Cool on. Yeah. I'll put my gauges on. We'll check it outside. Did I add gas to it before, a couple of years ago? Did I add gas to it a couple of years ago? What did I do when I was here? Did I add Freon to it?
I don't know. No, I don't know.
You don't know? I'll check it anyway.
I think you were just checking everything. I don't think, I can pull out the bill.
I'll check it. I'll check it.
I can pull out a bill.
Oh, this one, this one's gonna be 22 because this is a 01. 22. These were nice units back in the day. It's the Mars number. Fitting brush. It's not really crazy bad, but don't hurt to give it a good cleaning. The sides look fine. The back is usually what gets dirty on these, is the back. I'm gonna say it's low on charge a little bit. I'm gonna say it's a little low on charge. I'm gonna check it. See that 58? See our superheat? Oh, know what it is? We're on 410. Alright, now I'm on a 22 scale. That's a little better. See, we're at 43 on the superheat. And a 57. Not crazy low, but I gotta put some gas in it. Let me get some gas. Alright, so as a rule of thumb, the suction on 22 is going to be above 60 for sure, and 410A it's going to be above 100 minimum. It should be more than that. I'm going to give it a little juice. Leave our hose back. Can you see that? I'm going to give it a little Dundee. Going in the suction with it. We'll give it a little, how you doing? We'll give it a little juice. Subcooling's a little high, but we gotta bring that superheat down. This is a piston. We're gonna give it a little bit. We're gonna bring the superheat down. Our coil don't look too bad, actually. It doesn't look dirty. Not crazy dirty, anyway. Would have ran like that, it just would have struggled. I don't want it struggling. have low suction because she's only got one filter inside. This is 2.5 tons. I'd like to see 2 filters in there, but see, we're at 66. That's still a little on the low side. I'm gonna bring the superheat down, give it a little more. Right there, that's good. Good enough for this neighborhood. I'll try to give it a little douche. A little doucheroo, mama.